The stock market is doing great, but gold is doing better. The U.S. stock market, as measured by the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, just had their best first quarter in 5 years. Yet gold performed better than both. This is Coins Roc. Stay tuned as I explain. The stock market is off to a fabulous start for 2024. For the first 3 months of this year, the S&P 500 was up about 10% and the NASDAQ was up 9.7%. These are impressive results for just 3 months. Yet gold performed better than both, up 11%. In the first week of April, while the stock market is down, gold continues its upward advance. Rarely does gold beat stocks. This is not just great short-term performance, but longer-term as well. In January 2016, gold traded at $1,060 an ounce. Now it is traded past $2,300 an ounce. Will this outperformance continue? The stock market is expected to continue to do well, but there are many tailwinds also for gold. One of the biggest factors pushing up the price of gold is the expectation of falling interest rates. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell continues to suggest that interest rates will be cut at some point in the future. Falling interest rates weaken the U.S. dollar, which has an inverse relationship to the price of gold. Geopolitical uncertainties are a positive for gold. And with wars in the Middle East and Ukraine threatening to expand into wider conflicts, this should continue to be a factor into the foreseeable future. Another big driver for the price of gold is continuing and expanding record purchases by central banks around the world. Remember that in their vaults is only gold and not an ounce of silver. Individual purchases, especially in such places as India and China, as well as Europe and the U.S., continue to be strong. Demand for gold for both jewelry and technology also continues to increase. With the stock market at record levels, some investors may be looking to lock in some of their gains. This money has to go somewhere, and gold has been receiving a lot of attention because of its positive performance. It seems you can't turn on the television these days without seeing multiple commercials for buying gold. Bitcoin too is at record levels, and some investors may also be looking to lock in gains and reinvest elsewhere. Bitcoin investors are attracted to alternative investments, and gold certainly qualifies. Now, this isn't investment advice, just my opinion. It's possible that both the stock market and gold could both do well moving forward, but gold in particular right now seems to have a lot going for it. My preferred way to invest in gold is by buying pre-1933 U.S. gold coins certified by PCGS and NGC. Not only do you benefit from the increase in gold price, but also there is a numismatic premium as well, which could expand over time. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.